My name is Jeff Bump. I'm the president of Grow Hemp New York and one of the majority owners here at Grow Hemp New York, and that's who I am. One of the biggest reasons I'm in this industry is we do realize the help that Americans are going to get from this plant, and from everything that happens with the CBD oil or hemp oil is going to benefit every American in this country. This is the Roberts Windsor Farm LLC. We turned it from a hay operation into the hemp business. This is the first year we've grown this in the state. This plant has proven to thrive in wet weather and humidity. The farm was bought back in the 1800s with gold rush money from one of our great-great-grandfathers. So we have a lot of history here, and now we're trying to change the history of the Roberts Windsor Farm. My brother and I, Dave, are 6 generations here on the farm. And obviously we've got some more coming behind us also. He worked here every day for 2 months.
My name is AJ.
8 to 12 hours a day. AJ.
I do eat, cut down plants. I do eat at lunch.
He would come at 7, he might leave at 6 or 7.
That's a cousin.
Cousin.
And he helped people, rode his bike, did things.
Farm stuff.
Farm stuff?
He harvested plants yesterday with me.
How's business?
Booming.
Moving.
Business is booming.
The Roberts family, or the Bump family, is who owns this business here. Me and my brothers and sisters, all my cousins, grew up on the farm through the 60s and the 50s, 60s, and 70s. We grew up here on the farm, right by the farm, and we all worked the farm until we left home. Here we are today, growing hemp in upstate New York.
My name's Mike Onesco. I'm a grower here at Grow Hemp New York. We've been kind of formulating game plans and going over it. Really, it's been a collective effort, everybody here, and we're all trying to learn.
We are under research and development, so this is kind of new to everyone. And right now it's all been an organic process, fighting bugs with bugs.
They released a lot of ladybugs here because they had some issues with bugs. The ladybugs were awesome, hundreds and thousands of them.
You're letting nature do its thing and give us something beautiful.
It is requiring a tremendous amount of labor here during harvest. I'm sure by the end of harvest we'll be up to 40 or 50 people to make this happen. And the real harvesting isn't outside cutting the plant down, it's inside our greenhouse where we are stripping the branches, called bucking.
My name is Paul, and I'm a gardener. All I'm doing here is taking these giant plants from the top, bringing them down here and bucking them down to smaller branches.
And we're giving them to our people who are on stripping tables, stripping the buds and leaves, which then goes to our drying center and it will dry for 2 to 4 days, whatever that does take.
My name is Courtney. I work in the processing department. This is the last step of the process before we put them in bags and ship them out.
It's been fun. We make it fun, and we believe in having fun at work.
I gotta say I love this job. It works out good. I do. I actually love this job.
And then we package it in our plastic bags to go to a processor.
So this is Rocky. He is preparing the dry trays.
I'm taking the stripped hemp, trying to get an even formation of the hemp on this tray. Each plant is different, even though they come from the same seed stock. We have a certain amount of clones, we have a certain amount of seed stock, and seed stock has many different phenos, which a lot of people just perceive as a leaf or a bud formation, but it's also pest resistant, mold resistant.
Yeah, I use CBD oil every day of my life.
I think everyone should, honestly. If you have background with stuff doing pills, you should do CBD or find another solution.
I've been taking CBD oil myself, and personally it's been doing great things for me.
A couple of our friends who've had serious stomach issues have gotten on hemp oil, and they now have quit taking all their prescription drugs. The people who have arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis and aches and pains, sleepless nights, this is helping a tremendous amount of people that I know that we've turned this product onto. We are using all the buds and leaves from the plants. And the stalks we are saving, we're not sure for what yet.
An awesome bonfire would be nice, a really cool bonfire. That's what my suggestion is. That would burn nicely, it would smell the whole neighborhood up nice. You know, let the neighbors know. Hemp's here to stay.